As Southern New England continues combating the recent overdose epidemic, officers in Rhode Island's largest city are now armed with a new weapon to help save lives. Eyewitness News reporter Steve Nielsen joins us live now with the details that are new at 5.
Well, that weapon, it's called Narcan, and it's nothing new in Providence. The firefighters have been using it for a little while now, but now you can add police officers to the list. It's just another step aimed at saving lives. By now, you might have heard of the overdose reversal drug Narcan. It can save the life of someone struggling to survive after ODing on heroin or other opiates.
It's not going to hurt.
Providence Public Safety Commissioner Pare announced that Providence officers will now carry Narcan with them.
The more we can get it in the hands of our public safety officials and officers, the better we'll be in responding to this trend.
The trend has been eye-opening. Already this year, 103 people have died from overdoses, according to the Department of Health. Providence firefighters have been carrying Narcan, but sometimes a police officer is first to the scene of an overdose. Those extra moments matter.
Could be seconds, so the quicker we can get that Narcan in to a subject that's overdosing, the better chances of them surviving.
All 352 Providence officers have been trained to use Narcan. The cost has been covered by a grant. The goal is simple: save a life.
That's why we take the oath, whether we're a police officer or a firefighter or a rescue person. We're there about saving lives, helping people in times of distress.
Now, police officers have actually been using it for a couple of weeks now, and so far no officers have had to use Narcan. I'm Steve Nielsen, Eyewitness News.